Haruki Murakami said, "Pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional."
Sometime in April 2021, अंशुमन और मैं हम लोग ऐसे ही गाड़ी में चल रहे थे तो अंशुमन told me that he has a story about a guy fighting for dogs, to save dogs.
हमारे पास फिल्म का टाइटल नहीं था and he mentioned the title and I am a very gut person, like I like titles that go crisply on the tongue and Lakadbagga went jhatak se on my tongue. I think being ordinary is a superpower and in a world of good or bad, it's important to talk about how important it is to be simple and ordinary.
So then we met Alok, our writer friend, और हमने उनको brief किया.
अर्जुन बख्शी 27 बच्चों को मार्शल आर्ट सिखाता है.
Good morning, Dr. Kapoor.
और तुम पूरा वक्त अपने कानों पे हेडफोन्स लगा के रखो.
So my character is Arjun Bakshi. He's 27. He's a martial arts teacher. He teaches kids. और वो दिन में courier boy का काम करता है. He's vegan and simpleton, completely uncluttered. अपनी जिंदगी शांति से जीता है. He has a set of stray dogs who he feeds in his area in Kolkata. And then one of his dogs go missing, and that triggers the story. शोंकू को था? शोंकू
किसी को ढूंढ रहे हो?
शोंकू
फ्रेंड?
हाँ, डॉग फ्रेंड.
जब उन्होंने मुझे स्टोरी सुनाई तो honestly in the beginning only when they started talking about the premise of the film and the heart of it was for animals and that is when in my heart मैं already yes बोल रही थी because I am an animal lover.
रिद्धि डोगरा जिनका ये बॉलीवुड डेब्यू है, she has proven her mettle as an actor.
She plays Akshara. Akshara is a cop in the crime with the crime branch in Kolkata.
हमारा वर्कशॉप के दौरान जो एक कमराडरी एंड कनेक्शन बना, आई थिंक दैट रिफ्लेक्ट्स ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन.
पहले कभी किसी डेट पे नहीं गए.
सच्ची कहूँ तुम नहीं.
Anshuman is an extremely dedicated, very passionate actor. I would say artist because वो एक storyteller हैं and he's passionate about telling stories and he's passionate about doing it a certain way. एक तरीके से एक path उन्होंने पकड़ा है.
पैकेज को जानवरों की बॉडी में डालो और ये शिपमेंट्स रवाना करो.
Paresh Pahuja is, I think, a phenomenal talent.
Anshuman is a very dear friend. One day he called me and he said, they're making a film called Lakadbagga.
I have never seen someone so suave as Paresh.
And I loved it. The minute they started describing Aryan to me, और मेरे लिए ये पहला ऐसा role है which is in this shade.
Paresh has a super sexy voice, like he always sounds like this for some reason.
I'm a vegetarian, I love animals, and this guy is totally opposite.
He has to chop meat for one scene and I taught him how to do it and the way he was grossed out. That was a funny experience for all of us. Lakadbagga is essentially an action film.
And fasten your hands. Attack! Attack!
The action in the film is what makes Arjun so special. It's raw, it's street fight, it's Krav Maga.
When Anshuman started training about 4 months before the shoot for Krav Maga, I have seen how he trained so much for the film.
From the very beginning, from identifying the martial arts form Krav Maga, मुझे मालूम था कि ये नकली लगेगा अगर ये मुझे आता नहीं है. So the preparation demanded me to learn the basics of the martial arts form.
He got Vicky to design the actions for us.
Then I went to New York where Sahi at Krav Maga Experts very kindly gave his time and energy and insulted me for a weekend more to bring me up to speed with what the basics of the martial arts is, and stance is a very important part of it. So Arjun's preparation was physically draining, emotionally draining. Prashant Sawant I would like to mention. He really bust my balls to get me physically where I needed to be.
And then got Kecha sir to create the action pieces for us, who got the kind of choreography that we needed for the hand-to-hand combat action that we haven't seen in Hindi films a lot.
Just meeting with director and the hero, they just tell me the story, you know, they have to save the dog. And then it's, oh wow, you have to shoot that. I really surprised, you know. And then I just training with them.
We love you, Kecha sir.
Yeah, thank you. I love you too.
There is a surprise packet in the film called Iksha Curing.
When Ansuman sir called me, I was on duty tab. I was very excited. पहले तो I couldn't believe that Ansuman ने मुझे text किया था. तब मुझे पता चला कि मेरा character ऐसा है, तो वो सुनने के बाद मैं और ज़्यादा excited हो गई थी. It's all about action scenes. तो I was very excited after listening this. Ansuman sir ने भी मुझे बहुत सारा acting skills दिया था कि you have to act in this way. So जब मैं पहली बार Ansuman से मिली थी, तो पहली बार मैं बहुत नर्वस, लेकिन Ansuman he is such a sweetheart. He made me so comfortable. इतना friendly nature था मुझे, he never made me feel awkward. He never made me feel that I'm new in this work. There is one part, जहाँ पे Ansuman को इतना जोर से लगा था और हम दोनों को आइसिंग करना पड़ा.
मुझे लगता है म्यूजिक फिल्म का सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट सिस्टम होता है.
So when Anshuman told me that he wanted to go international for the music, I was a little skeptical that how would you merge someone who doesn't know anything about Indian music.
मुझे एक Indian rooted story चाहिए थी with a universal appeal.
I think it was a masterstroke when he got Simo to compose for us.
The music of, I think, the film is the jaan of the film.
देखो मैं बड़ा बड़ा रास्तों में ना मुश्किलों से कभी डरा, बस यही कि न्याय पथ पे मैं चला, हंसकर आंधियों को जो है मैंने झेला, रात के अंधेरों को.
The hyena in Lakadbagga is magic. VFX पे बनाया गया है.
I am amazed by how Rajiv and team they created something out of nothing, and
मैं बहुत grateful हूँ. मुझे VFX करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है.
The storytelling and the visuals of the film are, in my opinion, just fantastical. And हमारे DOP उन्होंने इतना अच्छा काम किया है. He's played with lights, he's played with warmth, he's played with texture. और उन्होंने seriously एक बहुत ही simple setup, simple room, simple scenes को absolutely amazing बना दिया है with his creative vision.
This is India's first film about a vigilante for animals. That in itself is a novel concept, hopefully that will attract people. हिंदुस्तान में पहली बार एक एक्शन फिल्म बन रही है जानवरों को बचाने के लिए. It's what makes Lakadbagga so special. It's about a hyena at the center. It's about dogs on the periphery. But eventually it's a root story of an ordinary Indian man. If Arjun, who's the character that I portray in the film, if he can do it, anybody in the audience can do it, is the thought.